Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can scalp boom and crash index on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we are going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. I'll be starting with boom 1000 index on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I can see that price is trying to form a bottom. Okay, we're seeing that price trying to form a bottom on the weekly time frame. We have a bottom around here. We have another bottom, and then we have one, and we have one. So we can see that the weekly bullish candlesticks are now becoming longer than the bearish candlesticks. So that's an indication that the momentum of the buyers, the momentum of the bulls have increased as we continue to see a break of structure to the upside, more especially about the break of the 9912 structural level. We have this particular bullish candle that closes the high, or that has a closing price above the initial high on the weekly time frame, and the current week is showing that price is currently pushing up to the 10390 level. So you might want to consider buying boom 1000 index on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we see that the price is spiking upwards. The price of boom 1000 is spiking upwards on the daily time frame as we continue to see more bullish candlesticks form on the chart. We continue to see a higher low, higher high. All right, that's a bullish structure, and the trend line, ascending trend line, is being respected. So that's a sign that buyers are in control of the market. Look at the 4-hour time frame, shows that buyers are in control of the market. Whereas we continue to have a pullback or a drawdown, the buyers step in and break the structure. We have structural break to the upside. I'm talking about the 10041 structure broken around here. We have price retesting that structural level, and price continues to surge upwards. So you might look for buying opportunities on boom 1000 index. Same thing with the 1-hour time frame. We continue to have higher highs, but on the 1-hour time frame, we have something like a bearish engulfing pattern that might pull price back a bit before price resume the upward traction. On the 30 minutes time frame, what do we have? We see price forming a top around here, another top, and we might be seeing another possibly see another top around here for price to form like a head and shoulder pattern, and for us to see price drop to this particular demand area, this particular order block. A drop to this order block might give price some level of support, and price might push upward to continue the bullish trend. On the 15 minutes time frame, we have price ranging. We'll be waiting for a range breakout. A range breakout is expected. Is the top of the range. Is the range top for boom 1000, and this is the range bottom on the 15 minutes time frame. And as soon as we have a range breakout, we might want to trade boom 1000 index. Same thing with the 5 minutes time frame. Price currently ranging, and same with the 1 minute time frame. Boom 1000 index currently ranging at the bottom range. All right, that's that for boom 1000 index. For crash 1000 index, price is trying to go up. Okay, we have this descending trend line that has been broken, and price has started to go up. But for now, price has retraced up to for now. Let's try and see how price has retraced. Price has retraced on the weekly time frame up to 23.6% Fibonacci level. We might see a bit of a drop for price to break that level and continue up to the 38.2% Fibonacci level on the weekly time frame. And the 38.2% Fibonacci level is at the 8020 level. So that's that for the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, what do we have? We see price forming shadows at the top. With this shadow here, we have a shadow here, another one here, another one here. That shows that price might dip a bit to the 6885 level before price continues upward traction. On the 4 hour time frame, we have to pay attention to this particular evening star. This particular evening star pattern is a bearish candlestick pattern on the 4 hour time frame, and this might push price to the 6885 level on the 4 hour time frame. So you might want to look for selling opportunities. On the 1 hour time frame, we have price forming the top, and then we have this descending trend line, price respecting that particular descending trend line, where we have this low, this high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we might be seeing something like a lower high, where we can possibly enter the sell trade and then aim for the break of this particular structure to the downside. On the 30 minutes time frame, price is currently trending lower. We have a bearish trend. As price continues to form lower, this is a low, this is a high, lower low, this is a high, lower low. Price continues to form lower lows. You might want to look for selling opportunities. But we have a support around here. We expect that particular support to turn to resistance before price. I'm talking about this the 6941 support level might possibly turn to a resistance level for price to drop lower. On the 15 minutes time frame, we see price still ranging downwards. The peers, the sellers are in charge as far as the screen, as far as the chart is concerned. We might want to sell crash 1000 as soon as the spike starts. On the 5 minutes time frame, we can see that the price has broken this particular trend line. This particular trend line for crash 1000 index has been broken on the 5 minutes time frame, and we can see some level of recovery. Plotting our Fibonacci retracement 2, we expect price has already broken above the 23.6% Fibonacci level. We might be seeing price rise up to the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is at the 6937 level. So that's that for crash 1000 index on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, we see price the bulls trying to push price up. We might see a spike downwards before price continues up. Let's take a look at boom 500 index on the weekly time frame. Boom 500 index trend on the weekly time frame is still bearish. The trend is still bearish, but it looks as if the bulls are trying to push price up. Okay, but on the daily time frame, we can see price forming a triple top. This is a top, this is another top, this is another top, this is a top, this is another top, this is another top, and price is forming a bottom on the daily time frame. This is a bottom, this is another bottom. So we might see price going up, or we might see price going up more for it's spiking, continues to spike on the daily time frame. So you might look for buying opportunities. The neckline has been broken already. The neckline for this top bottom has been broken. You might look for buying opportunities. On the 4 hour, it's still buying strong. On the 1 hour time frame, is buying strong. So you might want to jump in on the buy for boom 500 index. Boom 500 index currently spiking up on all time frames, especially the 1 hour, the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. So as it continues to spike, price might be looking for a spike towards the 3826 level. For crash 500 index on the weekly time frame, we see price is currently ranging on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, is bullish. Price fell towards this direction up to the 4635 level, but for now it has appreciated up to the 4751 level, and 4795 level is a possible target for the buyers. So you might consider buying. See price 500 index has formed a bottom around here. You might consider buying up to 4795 level. Same on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that price continues to break structure to the upside. On the 30 minutes time frame, we have a bottom, and price is forming more like a bearish engulfing pattern on the 30 minutes time frame. So you might see price drop a bit for us to have this double bottom before price will rise up. On the 15 minutes time frame, it's forming a double bottom, a double top rather. Price is forming a double top on the 15 minutes time frame. So you might consider selling crash 500 index for now until you find a swing low around this point, as we have this point that is our resistance broken and might now turn to support for price to find support and go more up. On the 5 minutes time frame, price is currently ranging. This is our range top. This is our range top. Our range tops are around here. Okay, and the range bottom is around here. So you might want to wait for a range breakout before you enter your trade. On the 1 minute time frame, price is currently ranging as well. You might want to wait for it. We didn't break out before you enter your trade. So that's that for boom and crash index analysis on how to trade on the smaller time frames for today. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button? If you like the video, go ahead and click the like button. Drop comments below the video, ask questions. I'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can also smash the bell button below the video for notifications so that when we release another video tomorrow, you will be notified. You can go to our website www.fxtrader.com to learn more how to trade boom and crash index. You can also go to our another website over at fxfables.com to learn more how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.